Israel is intentionally committing genocide in Gaza. That's according to a report from Amnesty International.
South Africa has petitioned the International Court of Justice for Israel to immediately withdraw from Rafah.
Let's take you to Sudan now, which has been embroiled in a vicious civil war.
Jubilant crowds celebrated in the Syrian capital, but that brief moment of harmony now seems to be dangerously slipping away.
M23 militia is backed by neighboring Rwanda, and the United Nations has warned of a major humanitarian crisis.
Armed gangs launched a fresh attack on Haiti's capital.
For more than 1,000 days, Ukraine has fought relentlessly against Russian aggression. What a year of elections meant, the geopolitics of it all, and who else is now involved.
They're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the pets.
The Trump administration has been deploying ICE agents to campuses to seize international students who have participated in protests.
More than 70 countries criticizing President Trump's decision to impose sanctions on the International Criminal Court.
It's the highest court on the planet to hold autocrats, dictators, and abusers to account.
Former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte being arrested on an ICC warrant on charges of crimes against humanity.
His victory was never in doubt. Virtually all opposition leaders are in exile, jailed, or dead.
Milei has closed the Ministry for Women and Diversity, abolished the Institute Against Discrimination and Racism, and then last month in Davos,
la ideología de género constituye lisa y llanamente abuso infantil.
What's the most offensive act? Something that provokes, something linked to violence or trauma. In most of Europe, it's this.
What we need is clear agreement on an ambitious new climate finance goal.
Women are forbidden from allowing their voices to be heard by other women. It's the latest restriction from the Taliban's so-called Vice and Virtue Ministry.
I want to express my deepest gratitude to every amnesty officer for your relentless efforts on ending gender apartheid.
Amnesty International cited widespread use of excessive force and arbitrary arrests.
Amnesty International has called on FIFA to safeguard human rights.
Workers' rights, discrimination, freedom of expression. Amnesty International, as it raises deep concerns about a new AI algorithm tool.
And just one more thing, you, me, all of us have a role to play. Hope is not something you're gonna get. Hope is something that we have to build and is something that we must fight for.